Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can enable this touch screen effect. Wherever you touch on your screen, people will be able to see it. This touch screen effect you are seeing there, we're going to learn how to do it today without using the brush mode on any recorder app. So before we start, I want you to do something for me. If you're actually new to this channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that YouTube will notify you anytime I drop this kind of videos. So once you have done that, let's get started. So what you want to do is to come to your settings app, click on settings. This is settings, click on it. So on your phone it might be about phone, but on your device it might be about phone, but my own is my phone. You have to locate your about phone or my phone on your own device. So once you locate it, you click on it and scroll up. So you see this build number. Look at this build number here. So you locate it, the build number, you locate it. So once you locate it, what you want to do from here is to click it 5 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So no need, you're already a developer. I've already done that before. So for you, what you have to do is to click it 5 times. It will enable the developer mode. So once you have done that, you go back, you scroll up, and you locate this system based on the device which you are using. Locate this system. So once you locate this, scroll up, then you will see this developer options. It was not here before. It is after you tapped on the build number 5 times that it will appear here. So what you want to do is to click on it to open it. So once it opens, it has so many options. You can do so many things with these developer options. Okay, so what you want to do is to scroll up and search for show tabs. Look at show tabs here. This is show tabs here. I've already enabled it. That's why this is happening. That's why you can see the touch screen effect. So once I tap on it, okay, as you can see, you can no longer see the touch screen effect. You can no longer see it. But once I tap on it, it will start showing. So guys, that's it on this video. So if you actually got value from this video, I want you to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're yet to subscribe, I want you to subscribe now and turn on the bell notification. And don't forget to check out my next video, which is showing on the screen now. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.